Welcome. If you want to set up screen lock on your HAFURY Note 10, for the first you have to go for the settings. Right now let's scroll down and go for the security and location. Tap on the screen lock, and right now we can change it for the pattern because currently we set up swipe. Click yes, draw your pattern, click next, draw it one more time, tap on the confirm button. Right now we are able to manage notification settings, so I'm going to hide sensitive content. Click done, and right now let's try our new lock method. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.